lot of flavor in here, but I always like to put a little bit more cinnamon. Just, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then nutmeg, but the actual nutmeg. So this is what nutmeg, fresh nutmeg looks like. And I'll do about, take one of these, watch your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mix that around. Ooh, that smells better. Some more for the crust. Use your hands or pat it down. Or you can even just clean hands. Actually, I'm going to use all of it. The oven for 375 from 6 to 8 minutes till it gets nice and toasty. Let it rest before you pour your mixture into here. Okay, so this is the easy version of my pumpkin pie and how I originally made it. I use the regular store-bought crust. I use the pumpkin pie mix, which has sugar and everything already. It tastes very good, very sweet. I wouldn't add any sugar until everything is mixed. Taste it at the end and then see if you need some sugar. But usually I use 8 ounces of this. Maybe that was a little bit more, but about 8 ounces. We add 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. Okay, so we have the 4 eggs, the pie mix, and then just 1 cheese. Mix it around. Gotta go with some. And as that mix, I wanted to show you my homemade pie crust. So it's 2 cups of ginger snaps, 1 cup of cinnamon graham crackers, and 1 cup of the mini vanilla. Taste it. And you can use some cinnamon. And a bit of pumpkin spice. Everything from the side, make sure that everything is out with my clean spoon and try it out. Perfect. But I'm going to mix it in one more time. Okay, for my signature pumpkin pie, I have one with no flavor. It's just pure pumpkin, no added anything. A whole can. I like that because I like to add my own flavors for that one, right? You can make it as mild or spicy as you like it. And I do like it pretty spicy, but not overbearing spicy. And then this is just 15 ounces. Gonna add our 4 eggs still. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because this has no sugar at all, I will do a cup of sugar. Actually, before I add the sugar, I'm going to go ahead and add the cream cheese. If you want to go ahead and add the cream cheese first, you can. Gonna have a half a tablespoon of pumpkin spice, a tablespoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and then a half a teaspoon of allspice. Mix that in. Some vanilla. Very delicious. And of course a little bit of fresh nutmeg. Grab it here and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. This is the easy crust pie, store-bought crust pie, and this is the homemade cheesecake pumpkin pie. What I always like to do when this happens, just make sure that it comes out dry like that. If it comes out like that, it is completely done. Okay, so this is my regular pumpkin cheesecake, and all I'm going to do is put marshmallows, big marshmallows around, and then put it in the oven for a little bit. You can put it on broil if you're going to put it on broil. Be very careful that it does not burn. I've done that before, where I had to peel off all the marshmallows and start all over again. This is cooled down already. Try to get them in there nice and neat. Alright, I'm going to put that in the oven for about actually 2 minutes on broil. Keep watching it. You want to put that at the lowest setting so that your marshmallows do not catch on fire. Alright, this is my signature pumpkin cheesecake, and with this one what I always do is do the little jet puffed small marshmallows. Oops. Pour some in there like that. Take some white chocolate chips, spread them around. Take some mini chocolate chips, or the regular kind size, and spread those around as well. And then you take a Butterfinger, chop it up, and also spread it around. Crazy good. I'm also going to put these in the oven so that the marshmallow can puff up, and then do my last minute touches. Okay, 2 minutes was perfect, maybe a little bit too much. That is going to go ahead and melt right into it and keep puffing up. And I put the other cheesecake in there, but usually everything does kind of melt because it's warm. but just give this a little bit longer and it'll melt in all together. This is the first way I've ever done the pumpkin cheesecake, and then you'll see the other kind in a minute. This one came out perfectly. That was a minute and a half under the broiler. All right, I'll let this cool down a little bit. I got some hot fudge, but if you have some chocolate syrup, that will work as well. Drizzle that over the top. A little bit more. And then what I like to do is drizzle some caramel sauce. You can do your own, but it's going to be quick and easy. Oops. You can get fancy. And ta-da! That is my signature pumpkin cheesecake. Let me know whether you like this one or you prefer the short and easy way, just with the marshmallows. Thank you for watching.